Our liver is the second largest organ in our body, and it participates in several different bodily functions such as digestion, nutrient usage, the removal of harmful substances, and coagulation regulation. Factors such as stress, smoking, drinking, and bad eating habits can harm our liver. Having a fatty liver is one of the most common liver problems. This condition develops due to the amount of extra fat in your diet that your body can't process. Since there's no specific medication for fatty liver, it's mainly treated through lifestyle changes such as better eating habits, a low-fat diet, weight loss, and regular physical activity. In order to help reverse this condition, today we're going to teach you a powerful recipe that only calls for 2 ingredients, both of which are great for your liver. Lemon. Thanks to its acidic properties and ability to stimulate the production of digestive juices, lemon juice helps decompose the food in your stomach, making the liver's load lighter. Furthermore, lemon juice is a natural purifier which helps filter the harmful substances, a job that is normally done by the liver. Beet. Beets are some of the richest vegetables in antioxidants. They contain beta-carotenes, carotenoids, and flavonoids that act as hepatic cleansers, especially for people who suffer from a fatty liver. A study has shown that people who suffer from a fatty liver improve significantly after drinking beet juice. The levels of fat in their liver went down, along with the inflammation itself. Now that you know about the ingredients, here's the recipe. Ingredients: 2 lemons, 1 medium-sized beet, 1 cup of water. Instructions: blend the beet and water in a blender, and then strain the mixture. Once that's done, squeeze the lemons and add them to the juice. It's recommended that you drink this 3 times a day for a whole week. Always make a fresh batch whenever it's time to drink it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.